Are you looking for a way to stop guessing and start winning on Deriv? Welcome back. Today, I'm introducing you to PivotCore.net, the ultimate auto-training powerhouse built specifically for Deriv traders. We all know that manual trading can be exhausting and emotional, leading to costly mistakes. But what if you could automate your logic? PivotCore is a seamless, high-speed platform that takes your favorite strategies and executes them with robotic precision. Today, I'm moving away from manual clicks and showing you how automation can completely transform your trading results. In this session, we're focusing on a high-probability setup, the over 4 and under 5 strategy. This is a classic digit-based approach, but the secret to success isn't just the numbers, it's the timing. My plan for this video is a disciplined 10-trade sequence. Instead of staring at the tick stream and trying to click at the perfect millisecond, I've programmed my bot on PivotCore to analyze the digit flow for me. By targeting these specific barriers, we're looking for a consistent edge in the market that most manual traders simply miss. Watch the screen as the trades go live. You'll notice the speed of execution. PivotCore reacts to market ticks instantly. As we move through our 10-trade plan, see how the bot maintains its discipline. Even if a trade doesn't go our way, the system doesn't panic. It simply follows the mathematical rules we've set. This is the beauty of PivotCore.net. It removes the fear factor and the greed factor. We're already seeing a string of green results because the software is identifying the patterns faster and more accurately than any human ever could. We've just hit our 10-trade goal, and the results speak for themselves. This level of consistency is exactly why PivotCore.net is becoming the go-to platform for the Deriv community. Whether you're a beginner or a veteran trader, this tool is designed to make your life easier and your account more profitable. Why struggle with manual trades when you can let an automated system handle the heavy lifting? Head over to PivotCore.net right now. Connect your account and start your own winning journey today. Check the link in the description to get started. Don't just trade, trade smarter with PivotCore.